Hey guys, so what's going on? So today it's about a new product that I ordered for my home. I'm gonna open it here on camera so we can see how it came and how it looks. So basically, let's go ahead and get started. This is from Amazon. As y'all can see, I've already sprayed the outside of the box. Remember to Lysol. I am running out. If y'all have some Lysol, can y'all send me some? Because nobody has it. So I've sprayed the box already. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and I'll show you what it is. But I definitely have to open it, make sure everything is intact before I leave my review with Amazon. So normally they send you a picture of your item and saying it's been delivered. And so we're gonna open it and see what we got here. Okay, so I'm opening it up, and as I'm opening it, I'm grabbing this, y'all, and I'm spraying. Y'all, I am the most paranoid person in the world when it comes to stuff. I am not gonna be popping these. I will not pop these because they may have the stanky air. So now I'm gonna spray one more time after I remove that. I'm spraying my items, spraying this. Oh. And it came torn. What kind of crap is that? Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this box out the way. Okay. So, okay. So let me go ahead and leave my little review. Delivered with care. It might not have been their fault, so I'm gonna say delivered with care. Respectful of my property, and I'll say on time. Submit compliment. Okay, so basically the first item I'm going to talk about here, well, the only item I'm going to talk about in this review, it's called the Furora Lightning. Furora Lightning LED Flameless Candles with a remote control, set of 8 real wax battery operated pillars and votive LED candles with flickering flame and timer featured. That's the whole title. And I got the silver trim. They were $29.99 and it was free shipping and of course free returns with Prime. Originally it told me that this would be delivered on the 30th because of all this stuff going on. However, it came way sooner, so I'm happy about that. So let me go ahead and show y'all what it, make sure none of my information is showing on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. I've had people that complained that said that these were broken when they received them, so I was so scared because I'm like, Lord, please. So let me get a little bit closer. Okay. So let's talk now. So this is how it came. Okay, so let's open it up. Not rushing, but I am rushing. I have so much to do in a day's time. Okay, let's see. I'm opening it up. And let's see. I don't see any of them broken. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay, so this is how it came, and it's plastic. Okay, this is how it came. I'm so excited. So these candles look more cream than white. However, they'll still work. Okay, so then it comes in an empty box like this. So I don't know where it came from. We're gonna go ahead and spray that too. Okay. There's a little thank you card, and it says share your thoughts, need help. So share your thoughts, give our product your honest review, snap it, share it, send a photo, and also it says if you need help to contact us. That's very cute. I like that. Okay. It tells you about the care instructions. I'm not going through that, but again, it comes with 2 real wax pillar candles, 4 LED votive candles, a key remote. Oh, it comes with batteries? And a user manual. So there's batteries already in it. Let me find out they include batteries. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna bring y'all down a notch. Okay, so let's go ahead and open. They have these right there. I'm gonna be very careful because I look like they're very fragile. Okay, can y'all see that? Okay. Okay. Oh, these are beautiful. These are pretty. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so these are the larger size here. Can y'all see? Okay, yeah, y'all can see that. These are the smaller size, and then you have, these are not made of wax. These are just plastic, but these are made of real wax. And they're not scented, which I don't need them scented anyway. And then it has the remote. Okay. And everything is packaged so well. I've read so many reviews that scare the crap out of me because they were like, oh, it came cracked. Oh, it came broken. Oh, it came chipped. And I'm just like, you know. So it has this plastic piece as well that you have to remove. Okay. Power on. Let's see. Yep, it has batteries. Oh, the batteries have plastic on them, huh? Look at that. Won't he do it? They all have plastic around. That is the neatest thing. I've seen them package batteries, you know, together, but not with the plastic. Look at that. That is the neatest thing, but it's a little bit annoying because I gotta take it off of each one. Could they have just maybe packaged them in one wrapper? But hey, I still like it. Come on already. I got things to do. People to see. Okay, I ain't got nobody to see because we are quarantined. Okay. That one goes this way. Okay. Oh, look how cute. Okay. I wish that it didn't look orangey. Oh, this is the flicker. Okay, so turned it off, turned it on. It has a timer. You can dim it. Oh, you can make it flicker. You can make it just stay the same. You can adjust the brightness. Look at that, how cute. I love it. And you can turn it off. Okay, so let me go ahead and fast forward and go ahead and get all these batteries out. Let's go. Guys, so I am back. I have unraveled everything, got all the batteries out, and as you can see, I got everything up and running. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's see, we're gonna turn these bad boys off. So it does not work for these, okay? It only works for these bigger ones. So we're gonna turn them back on, and I'm going to make them all just be light. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, they all are just light except for these here. Okay. Alrighty, so let's see. I'm going to make it bright. Oh yeah, look. I'm gonna make it dim. I'm gonna make it bright. I'm gonna make it dim. The dim only goes one dim. The bright only goes one bright. So one up, one down. So mine is plus. It doesn't go any further. Okay. The flicker. Oh, look, they dancing. So you can do like a number of, they come with like maybe 4 settings. They also have a timer. I like it. So let me show you where these are going to go really quickly. So I hope you enjoyed that. So I did a review on these here. I don't know about, did I do a review? I think I did a review on this. I'm gonna try and maybe include do the first one and then put this one up. But I have so many videos for y'all that I have not yet put up. So anyway, this is my wall sconce. I have 2 of these, of course. I also painted these because I did not like how they were so silver, okay? So this here comes with a glass case like this, okay? And so basically, can y'all see that? There you go. So what I'm gonna do is be using this candle. Now what I'm going to do also is I'm probably going to paint. You see, this is really silver. I don't want a really silver color. So what I'm gonna do is I may do, I don't know, I may not do a video on it. Y'all probably wanna see that. But anyway, I am going to be putting this in here, but I'm going to paint it. And I think that is going to be so pretty. Look at that. And let's turn that sucker on. Look at how cute. So I think it's gonna be really cute. It's gonna set a really beautiful ambience, you know, to the room. And I like the fact that it's not too tall for this as well, because it's like literally almost there. So I could use that one, or I can use the smaller one if I wanted to, but I feel like the smaller one is too small for it. I feel like that's too small. I mean, it does look cute though with it, so I don't know which one I'm gonna use. However, I could use either one. And I feel like I'm definitely gonna love this. Like, oh yes, I love it, love it, love it. Anyways, yeah, so y'all go check them out. I'm definitely gonna leave a review on their page. I am going to dust and do some maybe some gunmetal color on here just to make it look a little rustic. And I do have like some nickel and just kind of give it like a little different texture, I mean a different coloring than texture, I'm sorry. But these here actually have ripples. If you look close, they ripple. You hear that? It's rippled. So I love it. I love the fact it came with, I didn't even know it came with batteries. You have to be careful. Like I said, they're real wax candles, even though they are lead operated. Made in China. Yeah. So I definitely make sure I spray my box because with this stuff going on. But anyway, guys, yeah, so there we are. There's my candles. I love them. And again, this is what it's called. It's called Furora, if I'm saying it correct. Ideal for home decoration, dinner parties, weddings, romantic ambience. Batteries included right there. Batteries included. Yeah, so go check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Oh no, don't you break, Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and head out, and I will see y'all on the next review or the next video. Bye. Okay, so for this here, I am using this color here, which is the champagne color, the gunmetal color, and the nickel color. Okay, so let's begin. All right, guys, so I am finished. I am happy with them. That was very quick. So let me just show you really quickly how it looks. All right, so let me show you here. Make sure y'all can see, okay? And I feel like that is perfect. Like, it's not too light, it's not too dark. I feel like it's just perfect for what we're wanting. So yeah, guys, I am pleased with the finished product, and I hope y'all enjoyed. And let's see what it lit. Where's the remote?